Dear students, now let us about the salient features of the genetic code. Already in previous class, we will detailly discuss about the what is the meaning of genetic code. How many scientists are suggested to be the genetic code dictionary? What is making the genetic dictionary are useful within the amino acids. Next, today we are going to discuss about the salient features of the genetic code. So, first character are here. There are 64 triplet codons in codon dictionary. There are 64 triplet codons in codon dictionary. This is a codon dictionary or genetic code dictionary. Okay, now there are 64 triplet codons in codon dictionary, out of which 61 are called sense codons and 3 are nonsense codons. 3 are nonsense codons. In this genetic code dictionary containing 64 codons, out of which 61 codons are called sense codons and remaining 3 codons are called nonsense codons or stop codons. These 3 are nonsense codons or stop codons, that is UAA uracil adenine, UAG uracil adenine guanine, UGA uracil guanine adenine. So these 3 are nonsense codons. Okay, now once again, there are 64 triplet codons. Triplet. A codon is made up of 3 nucleotides. That is triplet codons in codon dictionary, out of which 61 are called sense codons and 3 are nonsense codons. 3 are nonsense codons. Next, second character are here. The codon is a triplet code. The codon is triplet code, that is 3 nucleotides. 3 nucleotides formed into one codon. 3 nucleotides are formed into one codon. For example, UUU. This is a one codon. So in this codon are having 3 nucleotides. That is uracil. Same kind of nucleotides. That is homopolymer. And another example are here. One codon is made up of 3 nucleotides. That is adenine, cytosine, uracil. So these 3 are different type of nucleotides. Not homopolymer, not copolymer. Okay, now the codon is triplet code. That is 3 nucleotides formed into one codon, and one codon can specify one amino acid. One codon specify one amino acid. For example, UUU. This is a one codon. This codon containing similar kind of nucleotides. So this kind of codon, so to be make one amino acid, that is phenylalanine. That is phenylalanine. UUU codes for phenylalanine. This is a one type of amino acid. And AUG, adenine, uracil, guanine. This is a one codon. This is a first codon or initiator codon. Is always code for methionine. Okay, now one codon can specify one amino acid. One codon specify one amino acid. So in this genetic code dictionary to be appeared 64 but have only make a 20 amino acids. Only make a 20 amino acids. By means sometimes 2 codons, 3 codons, and 4 codons are to be make a similar kind of amino acid. Similar kind of amino acid. Sometimes one amino acid general rule, one code is always code for only one amino acid, but sometimes one code for 2 or more amino acids. 2 or more amino acids. So in this codon dictionary would be containing 64 codons. These 64 codons to be make a 20 amino acids. 20 amino acids. Next coming to one codons code for only one amino acid. One codons code for only amino acid. For example, UUU. This is a one code. So this codon is always code for only one amino acid, that is phenylalanine. Phenylalanine. Hence it is unambiguous and specific. So this is called unambiguous and specific. Okay now. One codons code for only one amino acid. So hence it is unambiguous and specific. Ambiguous and specific. Next coming to the code is universal. The code is universal. One amino acid would be containing more than 2 codons. So that is the same codon in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. And for the same amino acid, in prokaryotic organisms such as bacteria, in eukaryotic organisms such as human beings, so both are containing same amino acid. For example, UUU, 3 nucleotides, uracil, codes for phenylalanine, in both bacteria and human beings. This is a universal. Okay, now the code is universal. That is the same codon in both prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So codes for the same amino acid. Given the example are here. UUU. This is a one triplet code. So this triplet codes for phenylalanine amino acid in both bacteria and human beings. Some expectations. So in this room have been under mitochondrial codons and some protozoans and mitochondrial codons. So this rule do not accepted in genetic code dictionary. So this rule is not appeared. This rule is not appeared in this protozoans organisms and mitochondrial codons. Next coming to among the total number of 61 sense codons, but one codon acts as a starting codon. Among the total number of 61 codons, except 3 nonsense codons, and one codon acts as starting codon or initiator codon. That is mostly AUG, adenine uracil guanine. Remaining. So in this AUG is always code for methionine amino acid. One codon is always to be act of dual nature. That is AUG. AUG is one of the starting codon or initiator codon. At the same time, code for methionine amino acids. 3 are nonsense codons or stop codons. That is UAA, UAG, and UGA. So in this codes are present in the mRNA 5' and 3'. 5' towards the 3'. So mainly initiator codon or starting codon, that is AUG, So this is a mRNA, this is a 5 prime, this is a 3 prime. So in this codon, that is AUG, that is AUG. This is the initiator codon or starting codon. Initiator codon or starting codon. So initiator codon or starting codon or first codon, that is AUG. So initiator codon or starting codon or first codon are present in the 5 prime ends of the mRNA. 5 prime ends of the mRNA. And terminator codons are non-stop codons. Terminator codons are stop codons or nonsense codons. Terminator codons or stop codons or nonsense codons are present in the 3 prime ends of mRNA. 3 prime ends of mRNA, UAA, UAG and UGA. These three are stop codons or nonsense codons or terminator codons. So finally, initiator codon are present in 5 prime end of the mRNA. Terminator or stop codons are present in 3 prime end of the mRNA. 3 prime end of the mRNA. These are the salient features of the genetic code. So this is a genetic code dictionary. So in this genetic code dictionary, it would be containing 64 codons. 64 codons code for 20 amino acids. So only 61 codons code for 20 amino acids. Remaining 3 codons do not code for any amino acid. In this codon dictionary, it will be prepared by George Gamow, and the genetic code discovered by George Gamow, and within the help of Hargobind Khurana. Okay, now this is about the genetic code and salient features of the genetic code. Okay, now thank you.